These are taken, right?
Sounds a rice. You think it sounds a little fishy to you? You guys gonna sing real loud and clear? My brother's trying to direct my movie from up there.
Worked very hard on their program, and they're looking forward to sharing it with you tonight. We had a terrific show for the school today, and I'm sure that tonight's performance will be just as wonderful. Before we begin, we'd like to give you a photo opportunity, so if at this time, come on up and approach the stage and get that wonderful picture of your child.
Before we begin our program tonight, I would just like to take time out for a moment to thank some special people. I'd like to thank Colleen Irvin and Edna Smythe for our remedial reading teachers for I found out this evening that one of our little first graders' birthday is today. A.J. Hort's birthday is today, so I have a request. Could we sing happy birthday to A.J.? A.J., where are you? Stand up. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear A.J. Happy birthday to you. First graders. And now it sounds a little fishy.
Oh boy.
while they calve.
Beluga whales are smaller than most other kinds of whales.
Killer whales prey on blue whale.
Whales eat at least 15 fish a day. Mothers give their babies milk.
Whales have 2 blowholes. I mean blue whales.
unique creatures of the sea. Just like me!
Sometimes a starfish loses an arm, but it doesn't hurt at all.
Then how do they catch themselves if they fall?
A starfish is strong enough to pull open a clam.
If they're not careful, it can shut on them. Wham! Starfish are the stars of the sea.
the sea.
In dolphin schools, they learn a lot. Some like cold water, some like hot.
Dolphins use echolocation to help them find food. You will always find a dolphin in a good mood.
Gum wrappers or orange peels, and picking up all leftovers like fish remains and other trash. Good fishermen respect other people's privacy and territory. They quietly fish so they don't frighten the fish or disturb people, and they don't crowd someone out of a fishing spot.
Good fishermen always practice
stay fishing. They are careful when casting and pick up all fish hooks. If they get a fish hook caught in their skin, they get help taking it out.
Good fishermen buy and carry a fishing license if they are 16 years or older.
Good fishermen know the size and number of fish it's legal to keep. Limits provide more chances for more people to catch fish.
Good fishermen release fish right away if they don't plan to eat them.
Mom, look at those fans that are moving. Look at those fans that are moving to cool everybody down. I know what this one is, but I'm not going to tell you.
Look at this.
give our first graders one more round of applause. I would especially like to thank my two student helpers, Carly Schroeder and Eric Boynton, who helped me out. Thank you very much. Couldn't have done it without you. Okay. Parents, if you could please just stay in your seats for a couple of minutes until the teachers can get the students back to their classrooms. It would really help as far as traffic jams go. So if you just stay here for a couple minutes.
One more yard!
Did you like the show?
Yeah!
What was your favorite song?
The shark!
The shark song?
Yeah!
Alright, cool. Next year will be your turn.
Good night!
What do you want to see today?
Children's Museum.
Well, what do you say we try to see a parade today, a Memorial Day weekend? What do you think? Here we are in downtown Chicago. Hey, where are you guys going?
Nowhere.
Crazy?
We're going to death.
You think maybe a parade is a good idea?
Pull it!
Come on, honey. All these buildings.
Mom, they said Adam's not in Michigan.
No?
No. And I mean, they said Adam. Parade? Are you kidding?
My country to the blue. Come on, Bryce. We can hear it. See this collar is on.
That takes years and years of practice to learn how to do that.
Yeah.
Think they're having fun? When they
There's some float coming up.
I'd like to have that. We're in the parade. You're not missing much right now. Living in the military. Oh, yeah. Look at that car, Bryce. You want one of those?
You met your slippers at home. Camouflage slippers. Navy Pier. Ash, you can't wait to go on the Ferris wheel, right, Ash?
What?
Right? You can't wait to go on the Ferris wheel?
Oh, yeah.
All right. What are you looking forward to doing here, Colin? You don't know, huh?
Hey, I got an idea. Let's do the Ferris wheel. Okay, all right, okay. Let's pretend. We're gonna pretend like we're on the Ferris wheel, okay? All right. Let's pretend this is the car, okay? And there's like Chicago over there, okay?
Cool.
And there's a new swing ride. And let's pretend there's a carousel down there. There's the yacht that I own.
Everybody, use your imagination.
Use your imagination, and you can be on the carousel too.
No, this is a Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel, not a carousel.
Originally named Municipal.
Uh-oh, drop the camera.
Was built in 1916.
Dad, you can drop the dang thing. Are you crazy?
Chicago
Well, no.
Most of the time.
I'm the sanest man in the
Most
world.
of the time he's really crazy. He is.
Crazy about me.
Dad, you're going to drop the dang thing.
Are we at the top yet?
No.
Who wants to get on film?
That's for very high up, right?
Okay, we're going to take a nice picture of me. Ready?
Ashley.
Gateway Park, just west of the pier. All the way.
Okay.
Chicago
There she is.
I like it. I like it.
There she is.
I like it.
I know.
I like it.
Whoa, we're falling.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
Stacks and steel mills south in Indiana, then back east to the vast waters of Lake Michigan. Sweet home, Chicago.
Cruise ships on that side, Bryce. There's big cruise ships over there.
Sweet home Chicago.
Actually, those are not really. There's a small cruise ship.
I remember when
Cruise
we
ships
were
are like
here.
3 times the size of that.
I remember when we were here in Chicago. Woo! They were big.
You know, Chicago.
Chicago.